We out here at Palm Springs with my friend Jackson. I don't know if that was meant to be a funny joke or not.
Just short people problems.
Welcome to Denzel's World. I just finished filming an episode of Make Mondays Interesting with my mum at my parents' place, and it's lunchtime. What the heck? Hey, yo!
Hey, dude!
This is my friend Jackson, who you may remember from Season 1, Episode 3 of Make Mondays Interesting.
You always kind of look at the big picture. Like, don't worry about these small little things too much.
Wait, we might get a car park. This is easy. Wait, can we park here?
Oh, it's a bit low.
Yeah, wow.
Looks like a 90s or 80s hotel.
I think that's the vibe they were trying to get.
Yeah, well, they pulled it off.
What are you getting?
Probably the palms.
Pumped?
So pumped.
Ooh, that's messy. How's your chips? What's this? P.S. I love you. You know what's funny about this place is that every second person is like an Instagram model getting a picture in front of something. Alright, I think that's us. Right. You gonna be my Instagram model?
Yeah.
We're leaving Palm Springs. Palm Springs.
Yeah.
The closest thing to international travel we'll ever get. For a while. Because it's like Palm Springs in California. I think that's what it's based on.
Of course. Actually, one time I was skating down this hill and I got like this huge grass burn down my ass.
Oh.
I couldn't sit down. So I don't recommend it.
Hey, can I use some of your drone footage?
Yeah,
Just pretend we had the drone.
Just taking it off now.
After our trip to North Burleigh, we went back to Jackson's place to check out the drone he kept telling me about.
Took my drone out for a flight.
And no, Jackson didn't bring his drone to the beach. He just gave me permission to use some of his test flight footage from the other day.
Of course I'm gonna let you have a fly. Let's take a spin.
No, wait, you say that, you say that.
And cue drone footage.
There. Mum and Dad's house. It's wait, is it? Yeah, that's it.
Fly off. Hey-o.
This has been a super fun episode to edit. In actual fact, this is my first ever travel vlog of my hometown, the Gold Coast, which is also known as the GC, which then can be translated to God's country. So, well, yeah, I'm basically saying that I'm very much blessed to be living here, especially that we're seemingly in the middle of a pandemic. The best way I can sum up my vlog series, Welcome to Denzel's World, is that it is a behind the scenes look into my world. One of my goals for 2021 is to show more support for local businesses and document those experiences I have with them, like in this episode. Thank you, Palm Springs. So from now on, expect more episodes about the Gold Coast and it's people plus businesses. And by expecting, I mean subscribe, as well as like, share, and comment on this video. As Jackson said,
You always kind of look at the big picture.
and this is my big picture. We need some good ride home music. It's the end of our hang. I got a good one.
What's on your list, Denz? You're usually pretty good with the music.
Except it won't let me play it. Maybe I'm in a dud spot.
Football and it starts playing.
When you try and do something cool, and then it ends up just being a failure. Wait, it's playing now. Hopefully, like, Branson really appreciates me promoting his stuff. Look, I'm playing it loud. People can listen. No one cares. I don't know.